Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the volume of a sphere. So we have a sphere here with a radius of 3 centimeters. Remember, the radius is from the edge of a circle to the middle. So here we have our radius of 3 centimeters, and we can find the volume of this sphere using the formula for the volume of a sphere. That formula is volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So all we have to do is substitute our radius in and then solve using this formula. So I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1 is to substitute or pop in our radius of 3. So we have volume equals 4 over 3 pi radius, so r is 3 cubed. Next up, we know that 3 cubed is 27 because 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which goes out to be 27. Now we have 27 times 4 over 3 pi. 3 goes into both 27 and 3. And because 27 is the same as 27 over 1, we can cancel this out because 3 goes into itself once and into 27 9 times, meaning we're left with 4 pi times 9. And because 9 times 4 is 36, that can go to 36 pi. And that's an okay answer. But if you want your answer without pi, remember pi is approximately equal to 3.14. Using that, we can have volume equals 36 and multiply it by 3.14, giving us a final volume of 36 times 3.14, which is 113.04. We'll tack on our centimeters because that's our unit. And we write cubed because this is volume, so that's a little 3 up there. And that's our answer. And you just learned how to find the volume of a sphere. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give this video a like, feel free to drop a comment, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.